Why don't you tell us about aging?
Aging. Okay. So we all are programmed to age, and like we are programmed to grow. So that journey which we make from the fertilized egg to a grown body is pre-programmed in our genes. And similarly, the journey to the grave, if you want, is also pre-programmed. And it's actually a growing area of research to study these mechanisms that contribute to our aging. And we're starting to understand more and more about these processes. They tend to be different from person to person. It's not exactly the same. But the one thing that's common between most of us is that as we age, we're becoming more susceptible to diseases. These diseases that we call age-related diseases. And what we're trying to do these days, what we're trying to achieve, is that we want to slow down the onset of these diseases. So we don't want these diseases to kick in too early. We can't prevent the aging process, but we can slow down the onset of these diseases, and that's what we call healthy aging. So that's these days the holy grail. Whilst we cannot prevent the aging, we can try to achieve a healthy aging.